About time you click on the video, boy. Dang, man, I've been waiting here for the longest trying to tell y'all to get rid of them do-rag lines, man. Stay tuned, man. You got me waiting forever, man. Stay tuned, man. What's good, Vacation Gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. When it comes down to you having them do-rag lines on your forehead, man, there are two reasons why you got them do-rag lines, man. The first reason is you tying your do-rag wrong. You ain't tying your do-rag right, man. You ain't putting on your do-rag right, man. So I'm going to show you how to put on your do-rag, man. I don't even lie, I've been slacking. But yeah, man. It's in the morning, I ain't even touched my hair this morning. Straight out the rag, man. So, no product on that. So, when you tie your do-rag, man, what you want to do, a lot of people want to put the inside in the inside. No, don't put the inside in the inside. Put it on bevel. Put the inside on the outside. And this also helps. That also helps with you don't have that line in the middle of your waves too, man. You don't want that. Yeah, man. So you want to put on your do-rag, not too tight. Straight like this. Now this the part that you really want to pay attention to right here. Don't leave your do-rag straps like this balled up, man. Unwind your do-rag straps. You feel me? You want to unwind your do-rag strap. I can't even get it. Alright, here we go. You want to unwind your do-rag strap. Leave them flat on your forehead, man. You don't want them to have no balls, bends, or anything in your rags, man. Have them completely flat on your head. Just like so, man. You feel me? Just like that. Just like that. Now what you want to do with the back, you want to tuck the back in and in front of the first one. Just like so, man. Want to leave your ears in there, you can leave them in there, or you can just take them guys out just like that. Alright, the second reason why you got do-rag lines is that when you double compress, this for like the elite wavers right here, cause I know we really love the double compress. You wanna make sure you don't have no wave cap like this right here. You wanna make sure your wave cap have a band, or just use another do-rag, man. And don't tie it too tight. It be like all the pressure in one area. All the pressure right here. So when you take it off, you're gonna leave a line still, you feel me? A lot of people don't even pay attention to that. You doing this stuff right here, right? But when you put on the other compression, you still get the line, man, you feel me? So I prefer doing another do-rag like I did in my video on how to lay your waves down like Jeezy. You can check that video out right here. If you haven't, I'll leave it right there so y'all can check that out. But yeah, man, you just throw on another do-rag, just like so. When you get this point right here, you wanna kind of counter lay your do-rag, if that makes sense. Want to do just like I did the first one. Unfold them, guys. But instead of putting the first one down here like what I had that one at, I'm gonna go up a little bit, man. You feel me? You don't want all that pressure in one spot. You gonna go up a little bit. Boom. Pull down in the back. And you can tuck this one too. Just like so, man. And it's just simple, man. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share this video. Help me help you, you feel me? It's a little short little video on how to get rid of them do-rag lines so you don't be walking around with no racetrack on your forehead, you feel me? That's not cool at all, you feel me? It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man, and I'm out of here, man.